Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a from the ground up look for you guys. I'm doing Esmeralda from the Hunchback of Notre Dame. So if you guys want to see how I do this look, then just keep watching and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is color correct and prime. I'm going to prime with this MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance primer. Got this in a Birchbox, so we'll give it a shot. It's kind of a yellowy color, so I'm not sure if it does any color correcting itself. It's nice and cool though, like it feels very cooling on the skin. So we'll just rub this in. So I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in light peach under my eyes. I just use my fingers to blend this in because it melts it into the skin better and it doesn't waste as much product. So now I'm going to use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in shade 120, which is Classic Ivory. Using a Real Techniques brush to buff this all in. Eyebrows, I'm going to take the LA Girl Browy Wowie Brow Pencil, and I always spoolie my brows up first so I can see the natural shape, and then I go in with the actual color and I'm going to fill them in. And I'm going to keep it fairly natural because her brows are fairly natural. And this is shade dark brown, I believe. Just shade dark. For the lids, I'm just going to go in with NYX white base and put this all over. So now we're going to go into the Revolution Reloaded Passion for Color palette, which is a mouthful. I'm going to use this color right here. It's kind of like a fuchsia-y purple, and this is going to be our crease color, which I'm putting in with a pencil brush from Sigma. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the Mega Pro 3 palette and go in with color Pink Cream and just highlight a bit under the brow. I'm also going to place some of it in the inner corner just to draw the eyes open a bit. And for the lid, I'm going to take a flat packing brush and go into this kind of pinkish white color I have here and pack this on the lid. Using the end of this brush, I'm going to go into this purple color, and we're just going to use this as eyeliner to kind of bring in the purple color from the skirt into our lid. For lashes, I'm just going to use the Rocket Volume in blackish brown. To finish off the face, I'm going to take Bella Bomba blush and put this on the cheeks. And then using an e.l.f. stippling brush, I'm going to go into my Goddess of Love highlighter from Revolution and put this on the cheeks. And then for the lips, I'm going to use Slip, which is a NYX liquid lip lingerie. This is the complete Esmeralda look. It's very easy, very good for last minute, but I just have on the kind of one shoulder flouncy white shirt. She doesn't have the straps, but I just put them there for my own comfort level. And I didn't have a pink headband, but I did have a light purple. So it is fairly close. And then the hoops I have just had for a long time. And my wig is from Amazon. So if you guys like this look, be sure to like it down below. Let me know what you liked about it. And I will see you in tomorrow's video for the very last day of 31 days of Halloween. Bye.